Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get the stutter effect in Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Bandlab application if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the Bandlab application where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So go ahead and create a new one if you do not already have one, and after logging into your account, you'll be able to see all the trending videos in the home page. You can see the posts by other users and so on. So let's go ahead and see how do you get the stutter effect. The first thing you want to do is click the plus button right here in the middle of the page at the bottom part of the screen. Click on plus. That's going to enable you to go ahead and see all the options you have for starting your new track. You can import a file, you can record yourself and so on. So just go ahead and open up your track in the studio. So after opening it up, it's going to look like this. We're going to go ahead and be able to see our track with the track name, and now we can get started with adding effects. Basically guys, there are two ways basically they're going to go ahead and help you to get the stutter effects you want. The first is to use the FX options right here that you have, as you can see next to the name of the track. Click on FX. That's going to enable us to select FX options that we want to use for our track. So go ahead and find the FX option you might want to use. As you can see, we have the bass boost, the ambient sound. We can even add an echo, whatever is going to help you out pull out that stutter effect. So go ahead and add that, and then you can get started with slicing the track. So guys, let's say we want to slice the track right here. You're going to tap on it and click the slice button right here. As you can see, this is slice. That's going to enable you to slice it. So now you can either go ahead and copy this page, or you can move it somewhere and so on. You can go ahead and create some kind of distance between the tracks, as you can see, and this is going to be able to give you the stutter effect. So you can add your multiple tracks right here, as you can see with the plus button, and get started slicing them to get that stutter effect. You have to play around with it a little bit. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.